Partnering with JBA Offroad has been one of our best decisions and partnerships that we've made with all of our off-road vendors. JBA upper control arms go on every single one of our builds to the point where all of our salespeople know it, all of our service advisors know it, all of our technicians. Hi, my name is Nick Fisher. I am the used car director for Koch Automotive Group in Easton, PA. Koch33 Offroad is a spin-off from our Toyota business, so we are a Toyota store first in the business of obviously selling new Toyotas. So the idea with Koch33 Offroad is to do it in a dealership environment with Toyota technicians where we're following quality installations where customers are having a good experience. The Toyota aftermarket world has been really growing significantly. And as you come up through, we really were looking for some of the components that wouldn't cause us any issues. So early on with Koch33 Offroad, we used one other set of control arms that was of pretty good quality, but we were starting to see some issues with that product. And that's when I reached out to Marlon at JBA Offroad. As we would do some of our upfits, we call them, where we do a lift kit and everything else, the upper control arm is a really important component to the suspension system. So that keeps alignments in check, that keeps ride quality how it should be. Some of our previous control arms that we've used, even on my personal vehicle, they would end up coming loose and squeaking and rattling, and you thought that was the best until we were introduced to JBA upper control arms. So there was no looking back once we made that change. When you get here in the Northeast with all of the spray salt and the winters that we go through, not many components will make it through long-term without either high maintenance or replacing some parts that fail over time. With the JBA upper control arms, we haven't experienced any of those things. And again, it's why that's been our exclusive brand at this point. If you go back in our parts room, we have fully stocked shelves of JBA upper control arms because we install them that often. We do it for all of our customer builds. They are the only arms we will put on our vehicles. Any of our upgrades, any of our builds, we always will do JBA Offroad products. JBA Offroad upper control arms, without a question, are the arms to go with when you're upgrading your Toyota.